Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Honor Pad V9. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by hitting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select Confirm, Continue, Allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then wherever you want to in all the other ones. When you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to Send at the bottom of Honor. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And if you decided to transfer any apps, hit OK in this pop-up. Now hit Got it in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section below, enter the key. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And when you finished, hit Receive button. Wherever you decided, just wait. Now you need to close our ads, and as you can see after that, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!